The trade war between the US and China is on hold, at least for now. That's after a high-stakes meeting between the leaders of the world's biggest economies on the sidelines of the G20 summit in Argentina.
I think at some point we are going to end up doing something which is great for China and great for the United States.
The result of their talks is an agreement to keep talking. And yet, that's a breakthrough, as it pulls Washington and Beijing back from escalating a trade war that's threatening global economic growth.
It has been quite a while since our previous meeting, and over the past recent period, a lot of things have taken place in the world. China and the United States, two important countries with major influence in the world, shoulder responsibilities for international peace and prosperity. Only with cooperation between us can we serve the interest of world peace and prosperity.
The ceasefire will last for 90 days, and during that time, both sides have agreed to hold off on imposing additional tariffs. US President Donald Trump promised not to boost taxes on $200 billion of Chinese goods to 25% in January. And in return, Chinese President Xi Jinping vowed to buy more American exports. Trump later said Beijing also promised to drop its 40% import tariffs on US cars.
I always wanted to buy a car, and I was waiting because the tariff was high. Now, if the tariff is really eliminated and the price dropped a lot, I will consider buying one soon.
But the list of things the two leaders will have to agree on before their deadline passes is much longer. Yet, the truce seems to be as valuable as it is vague. While there's been no agreement on resolving what Trump says is his main grievance, Beijing allegedly stealing technology, the prospects for their differences being resolved are now better than they've ever been. Caitlin McGee, TRT World.